Hey, what's going on, family? This your boy Jupiter. Here to drop this video how to shave. So, of course, you're gonna need your electric trimmers. I'm using this Wahl lithium ion jump off. You're gonna need your clipper oil that came with your clippers. You're gonna get yourself a nice cleaning brush. And then you're gonna use a small brush that came with the clippers, of course, to clean the clippers. And any attachments, keep some hair on. You got an optional mirror. You may need a mirror, to look at certain spots. I'm showing you right here where to oil your blade. On the sides and at the top. You want to do it on the front blade, of course. So I'm just showing you. I'm just trying to follow like a basic line on my face from one side to the other, and of course at the top, just follow that down to the bottom of the beard. So right now I'm just getting ready to get rid of this neck beard. Definitely keeps you warm in the winter, but it ain't the most attractive thing. So I figure let me cut that off, get that nice and lined up. And as you can see, it's starting to look a lot better just from trimming that down. And now I'm just working my way up. I'm going kind of against the grain just to make sure I'm cutting it properly. So now I'm at the top and giving it a nice trim. Now notice I'm using the back of the blade, or really the front of the blade, to give me a closer, more sharp line. Right here, I had hair going in my eye, so be careful when you're doing that part. Just trimming around the sides, under the beard, and just doing again the top. And now I'm just following along that line again, just trying to get it nice and clean for the most part. It don't gotta be perfect, under there. Just you don't want to look at too crooked, and just getting around the edges, around the ear, going up to the sideburns. Just make sure you trim that up as best you can. So right now I'm just showing you what we got so far, and around the neck. Okay, so now you want to get your cleaning brush. So right now I'm just cleaning this, cleaning around my face and stuff, just trying to get rid of any excess hair. Now I got this attachment on. If you want to keep some hair on your beard and keep it all consistent length, this is how you do it. And you just go up and down. Try to get it consistent. Now I'm not cutting, my goatee. I'm just doing the sides right now. If you're gonna cut it all, you want it all consistent. Cut the goatee and cut your mustache with the same attachment, and it'll all be one length. Now you can see that's looking a lot smoother. When you go to get the other side, you can see it keeps it a nice consistency. For me, I'm just gonna keep a goatee. I want to get rid of this hair on the side of my face. So right now, I'm just cutting it down normally, where you would normally shave it. I'm watching that little piece of my ear that sticks out, just as a reference, so then when I go to the other side, I'll know how high I need to come up and stuff with my sideburns. But right now I'm just getting in there, cutting it down, and just trying to get as close as I can, doing the same thing on the other side for the most part. Now again, as you can see, I'm stopping right there in the middle of that part that sticks around my ear, just as a guide. Now I'm doing the other side of the blade. That gets me really close. That's a pro tip right there. Turn it around once you get all the hair off, and then you can get really close. Right now I'm just showing you how to do your Adam's apple. Just be careful, but you can get pretty close with it. And right now I'm just trimming it up, trying to make it look really nice. Yeah, that's pretty good. And again, just take your time, using the front side of the blade and just cutting that down. Try to get it nice and as neat as you can and stuff. It ain't gonna be super neat, because we got curly hair at the end of the day. But I like keeping a nice goatee and stuff. It works for my face. Thinks it's smooth. And then get the cleaning brush out, and you good to go. Make sure you clean your clippers with the brush that's provided. You're gonna wash your face, get some cleanser popping, and then you're good to go. So that's how you shave. And all the products that I used and more are in the description. So this is Jupiter signing off. I hope this helps, and keep it popping. Peace.